Hello, it's Jay here in RC in Nature. Today I want to talk about a little bit about Lexan bodies and how I'm a cheapskate when it comes to buying cheap ones. On Amazon, you can get really good Lexan bodies for 25 to 30 bucks a piece. And I mean, I live in Canada, so Lexan bodies are anywhere from generally 60 to 150 bucks. Especially if you're getting it shipped. And I've been buying these Amazon bodies. This one's gold. I mean, gold, it's cool. Comes with black windows. Oh no, this one comes with more like the Traxxas looking windows. Yeah, they're black. Standard, stickers. They're not bad. For just banging around, especially in the winter, when all you're doing is trashing your bodies, comes with some cool stickers. And then I bought this beetle for my Stampede. I think that's going to look kind of cool. This one was $25, and it's Lexan. Like, it's the same as the $80 Traxxas bodies. And I've bashed them in the winter. And they last pretty good. They hold up pretty good. I got a couple here that I was using on my Stampedes. And I mean, they're a bit banged up. But another thing you can do, and what I've been doing, not with these ones, because I was just trashing these. I use shoe goo, obviously, to reinforce the cracked and busted spots. But another thing that I've been doing, and this takes a bit of work, is I do the entire inside of the body with Gorilla Tape. And this body, I've been banging the heck out of it. I haven't put a single chip in it. Nothing along the edges. And this was a used, beat up body I got off of a Stampede I bought off my buddy. And I did a few repairs. And ever since I Gorilla Taped the bottom, this thing has not had a single issue. Banging it off rocks, flipping it, back flipping it, you name it. It's pretty much indestructible. You can shoe goo the entire inside, but I was just at Canadian Tire the other day, and shoe goo's $13.99 a bottle. I can get a roll of Gorilla Tape for, I think it's like $8 now here in Canada, but that's a heck of a lot cheaper. I can do probably 5 bodies with a roll of Gorilla Tape. I mean, I've already done a couple, and I still got partial roll. So here's another one here. Bigfoot body from either Stampede. All Gorilla Taped inside. And I mean, it just seems to give it more weight. It actually keeps your truck down more too, because your body is twice as heavy as it was. And yeah, I started Gorilla Taping my bodies, and it's really been working out. I get a lot more longevity out of that. Now, I generally tend to Gorilla Tape the more expensive ones, but I am going to Gorilla Tape this beetle and just see if I can get it to last a little bit longer. So, yeah, I'll record the process of that and then show the finished product. And maybe slap some stickers on her too. And see how that goes. So here's the beetle body, fully Gorilla Taped. It took me about 45 minutes, I guess. But when you think about the time you spend, especially where your clips go in, repairing that with shoe goo, 40 minutes to tape a body. And what I really like is, especially around where your clips go in, it really protects that area. And I find I don't have any issues once I've taped them with the clip areas busting up. And that's always the biggest problem, especially on the Stampedes, I find, is that right where the clips go through and the pins go in, they always break apart. And there's just so much more weight with this too, and I just find it's a really good way. Even if you're running in water, I was flying through puddles and it's not even coming up on my my other body here. This one, that's been through tons of water, and then I washed it too, and it's still sticking good. And I taped this one in the winter. Now I don't usually use these necessarily in the winter, but I think I might try it this year too. And another thing, they gave me black window stickers for a black body. Yeah, that's not really going to work out. So what I sometimes do is use your standard aluminum tin tape for plumbing and heating, and get a Canadian Tire. And there's usually a pretty good outline of the window. You just run your finger along that, and then you can see the outline, and you just cut along it with an X-Acto knife, and it actually looks pretty cool. So here we are. I got the beetle bug on one of my Stampedes. Yeah, 25 bucks on Amazon. Not too shabby. And that body will probably last me 6-8 months, maybe even longer. When you tape them with Gorilla Tape underneath, they really stand up well. And I might start doing that with all my bodies, because every single one of the ones that I've done it with, I still have, and it's still in perfect condition. So, both of them. Yeah, pick some of the lame decals. There's what you get. They even had a few for the motor, but whatever. What do you expect for 25 bucks, right? But still, I think that's pretty cool for the price.